Hello, everyone. Now that you've registered on the McGraw-Hill Connect tool, you need to access the income tax accounting course, as it says here, online section 38782. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to change this to the student view. This is so that you can see it the way you would see it. So the textbook is here to read, right, in this section. So that's where you can look at that, and you can read offline with the mobile app. Come here to tax returns, and let me move the screen over, and we're going to begin and continue, and this is where you will install the program. So you're going to do the 1040 installer. Make sure you know where you're going to on your computer, that sort of thing, and that it'll download, and then you'll, just like you would install any other program, it will ask for you to go through the process of installing it on your computer. So that is how you'll get TaxAct software for preparing of tax returns onto your computer.